Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Very good evening, Bhumika. Okay, so one by one, start sharing the assignment, everyone. And so first, Bhumika, would you like to share the screen?
Ma'am, I was absent from last 3 classes.
Was there
Yes,
no
ma'am,
yesterday?
Ma'am, yesterday I was not there. For some time I was there, then I was.
Was in attendance, so you was there. Okay. When you are going to finish the assignments then?
Ma'am, tomorrow I will be able to submit.
Okay, fine. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. Then Shruti, what about you? Yes, Shruti, what is the update? Siddharth, what is the update from your end? Siddharth, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm asking what is the update on your assignments?
Assignments.
Sorry?
कर लिया है ना मैम गाँव से, मैं इसलिए असाइनमेंट नहीं किया है.
Why? So when you are going to finish the assignments?
Ma'am, tomorrow I will submit it.
Daily you are saying this one or this thing only, no, Siddharth?
मैम मैंने बोल दिया था कल मेरे अंकल की डेथ हो गई थी, इसलिए मैं गाँव गया था.
Oh, no, just okay, fine, not mentioned. It's fine.
Okay.
Then Vibhor, what about you?
मैम डिसेबल है आपकी तरफ से स्क्रीन शेयरिंग.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, right now. Yeah. So text dimension furniture, nothing is there. And only plan you are seeing. Your plan is incomplete, Vibhor. What about the elevation? What about the section?
मैम एलिवेशन वाला क्लास में किया नहीं था, इसलिए मैम इसको किए नहीं थे.
एलिवेशन वाला क्लास नहीं किया था, ठीक है, लेकिन प्लान भी तो आपका कंप्लीटेड नहीं है.
मैम फर्नीचर अभी नहीं लगाए हैं कोई.
फर्नीचर
आपने
नहीं है,
केवल
टेक्स्ट
सेक्शन के लिए,
नहीं है, डायमेंशंस नहीं है.
मैम आपने सेक्शन के लिए बोला था तो हम सेक्शन बनाए थे.
सेक्शन कहाँ बना है आपने? शो नहीं किया, दिखा.
इसमें
सिर्फ प्लान शो किया आपने. सेक्शन कहाँ पे है, दिखा. दिस इज द प्लान. ओके, आई गॉट इट. शो मी द सेक्शन.
आप
This is the section line.
यस
Section line, what you are showing? Show me the sections, no? You have created section line. क्या शो करता है? वो सेक्शन लाइन खाली शो कर रहा है कि ओके यहाँ से यहाँ तक आप कट कर रहे हो, लेकिन कट किया हुआ पार्ट जो दिखाओगे वो सेक्शन है ना, वो का है. ये तो आपने दो लाइन प्लेस कर दिया, एक हॉरिजॉन्टल एक वर्टिकल. सेक्शन लाइन बना आपने, सेक्शन कहाँ बना है? जैसा मैंने कल सिखाया था आपको, पूरा बिल्डिंग बना के कहाँ से कट कर रहे हो, अंदर क्या फर्नीचर दिख रहा है, वो सब का है.
मैम कल का दिन।
Then you are placing only section line and you are showing. Complete the plan first. सेक्शन को छोड़ो, पहले प्लान खत्म करो. उसको फर्नीचर डालो, टेक्स्ट डालो, डायमेंशंस डालो. Ritika, what about you? Ritika? Ritika, Purval, what is the update from your end about the assignments? Okay, you contact me personally, Ritika. Fine. So now, today we are going to start the electrical and plumbing layout here. Okay. Now, see, I have one simple plan here. इस प्लान में ऐसा कोई भी चीज नहीं है जो आपको नहीं आता है. You know how you can add the text, how you can add the dimensions, how you can add the walls, windows, door, furniture with layers, right? So now, for this, if we want to create the electrical layout, so can anyone tell me, like, do you have any idea about electrical layout? What is meant by electrical layout, or why we create the electrical layout and all? Anyone? See guys, remember electrical layout is nothing but a combination of three things. First, position of the lights and appliances. Second, connections. Third, switchboards. Okay. First, position of the lights and appliances. Second, connections. And third, switchboards. Right? So, now, create the electrical layout for the whole plan. Now, if I'm creating for this bedroom only, for the whole plan, it will take a lot of time now. That's why I'm explaining for the bedroom first. Simply, as of now, I'll use circles. First, position of the light. So guys, lights के लिए you have to do थोड़ा सा self study here, okay, about the lights, appliances, everything. Okay, कि number of lights are available in the market. So you need to do थोड़ा सा market study there. Done? Done. As of now, I'll use circles. One, two, three, 4. Done. 4 lights are placed. Then I know you guys
Your
are
voice is not coming clear.
okay. Am I audible now?
Ma'am, you're audible, but few voices. Yes, ma'am, you are audible now. Yes.
Okay, fine. Now 4 ceiling lights you placed. If you are giving AC or whatever it is, don't forget to give the ceiling fan here. Okay. Done. Then after that, don't worry about the dimensions because dimensions guys depends upon the brand. Okay. ऐसा नहीं है कि 10 watt का light is bigger than 8 watt का light. No. There are some local brands like Orient, Jaguar, Gold Medal. So if you find Orient ka 10 watt ka light is bigger than Jaguar ka 12 watt का light. Okay. So ऐसा नहीं कि जितना बड़ा watt है तो उतना बड़ा light रहेगा. No. It depends upon which brand you are using. And guys, brand depends upon the budget of your client. Right? So no need to worry about the dimensions more. You can place it in proportion as well. Then 4 ceiling lights. Here you have 4 bedside tables. Sorry, 2 bedside tables. Bedside tables के लिए wall light we can show. Right? Can show the wall light here. Done. Then here you have TV unit. Suppose for TV unit, we are providing 4 drop lights, spotlights. Done. See guys, it depends कि which space you are designing. ठीक है? You can't give that much light कि जितना आप living room में दे रहे हो उतना light आप bedroom में नहीं दे सकते हो. Right? This much light is more than enough. Okay? But no need to worry about it, guys. We are not going to place the circles. We have proper symbols. Okay? I'll teach you that part. But first, what you have to do, first understand the concept. Then I'll show you symbols and etc. Okay? Now, position of the light is done. This much light is more than enough in bedroom. Then I want to place connections. But till where you will show the connections? You need any limit. You need any boundary, right? So that limit, that boundary means switchboards here. You have to place the switchboards. Now, simply Shruti, you can place the rectangle, nothing else. Okay? How to show the lights inside the floor? We call it as uplighters. Same thing, you can show here only. You have symbols for that, I'll tell you. First, see this. Now, second, you have to show the connections, but till where? Till the switchboard, right? First, we'll create the switchboard here. See, remember guys, switchboards you can't place behind the door. Never ever place the switchboards behind the door. But it should be near to the door. You can't place it here on this wall or on this wall. Who will go to travel in dark and to turn on and turn off the light? No one wants to do this, right? That's why place the switchboard near to the door. There. After that, as of now, I'm using rectangle tool to show the switchboards. But don't worry, we are not going to use the rectangles. Okay? See this first. Now 2 switches for 4 lights. You can't show 4 light का connection on single switch, okay? अगर उसको on करना है तो चारों light on करेगा, off करना है तो चारों light off करेगा, right? Don't do this. Remember, 2 lights का connection on one switch and 2 lights का connection on another switch, okay? Then one switch for a ceiling fan. Then again 2 switches for 2 plugs here. ये प्लग है ऐसा शो करने के लिए यहाँ पे इसको क्रॉस किया है, ओके? I'll trim it. Done. Enough. Now here you have this TV unit. So for TV unit also you need to place the switchboard. TV plugs वगैरह सब शो करना पड़ेगा, right? So same. 2 lights and 2 switches for 2 plugs. Minimum 2 plugs are needed, no? एक तो TV में जाएगा and second for your set-top box or home theater or whatever it is. Minimum 2 plugs are needed. Done. And then last, guys, nowadays everyone wants charging plug near to the bed, right? So what you have to do? Simply show 2 small switchboards near to the bed. One switch for this light and one switch for one plug here. Right. Done. I will copy the same thing for the other end here. Okay. Now, again, this much is more than enough. Okay. Switchboards, it's more than enough. And then at last, you have to show the connections. Remember one thing. अब देखो आपका see your charging cable, means your charger, phone ka charger, your laptop charger, or any wire, any cable. It won't be straight, right? It will be little curvy type, wavy type. So you can't use straight line to show the connections. That's why you have to use spin line here. Okay. You have to use the spin line here. Simply give SPL enter. Make sure your ortho is off. And then using spin line. Show the connections here. Two lights का connection on one switch, 2 lights का connection on another switch, and एक ceiling fan का, right? Then see, one light का connection, and again another light का connection, and at last these 4 connections. See, 2 lights का connection on one switch, 2 lights का connection on another switch. Rest the plugs and switches you have. See, it's done. First, position of the lights. Second, connections. And third, switchboard, right? But you can't present this drawing to your client. ऐसा लगेगा किसी बच्चे ने drawing बनाया, right? So remember, you have to use proper symbols there. Okay. Here, this electrical and plumbing ka block file is uploaded in your Google Drive. You can download it later. First, see this now. Okay. So here you have electrical legends. Legend means symbols. Okay. These are the standard symbols. If you want to show ceiling light, use this symbol. If you want to show ceiling fan, use this symbol. If you want to show prop light, spotlight, use this. Okay. Now give Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Done. Now guys, remember, whenever you are placing the blocks, yesterday also I told you, never ever place the blocks directly in the drawing. Okay. What you have to do? First, explode these blocks. First, explode these blocks. Place it in your layer. जो भी लेयर में आप वर्क कर रहे हो उसको आप पहले प्लेस कर देते हो फिर एक्सप्लोड करते हो डिफिकल्ट होता है राइट दैट्स व्हाई फर्स्ट एक्सप्लोड इट एंड देन बेसिकली you can place it. See the difference? Ceiling lights in. Then ceiling fan is there. Once you are done, no need of this circle, you can delete. Okay? Then the same. The spotlight, drop light. Right. See now? Proper symbol, position of the light is done. Right. तो जो भी lights आप use कर रहे हो, floor के light means uplighters जो floor पे use होते हैं, तो same you can show this on the floor. Cove light के लिए you can use this thickness and you can draw. ठीक है? Done. Then second आएगा switchboard. See here you have 5 amps, 15 amps. Means 2 pin, 3 pin का socket. Okay. Take this and switches का symbol is this. Okay. Same Control C से copy, Control V से paste it. Again the same thing. First, explode it. Place it in your layer and then wherever you want, you can basically place it. Right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once your placement is done, you can delete those squares, rectangles. Okay, it's not needed. Okay. And the plugs also. You can show here. Right? Now these connections, place it in the center here. You see? It's done. Means when you'll click, no, you'll understand कि okay, इस switch से ये on होगा like this. But suppose someone is laying on the bed who wants to go till here to turn on and turn off the fan. No one wants to do this, no? That's why what you can do, you can provide two-way switch. You call it as double switch. Okay? Means same object you can operate from two switches. See? From here also, from here also. You know. right? Now switchboards के लिए symbols use किया, okay, done. For lights and appliances you are using symbols. But what about connections? So remember, connections के लिए तो you have to use pin line only, no doubt. But you can't show the spin lines, the connections in a continuous line type. Never. Okay. Remember what you have to do. Sorry. Remember what you have to do. Show these connections in a dash dash line type. Yesterday also I told you कि AutoCAD में कोई भी अगर पार्ट आपको हिडन है ऐसे शो करना है, then you have to use dash dash line type there. Okay. Because if you are sitting, अगर आप सीलिंग को देख रहे हो, you won't able to see connections, cables, right? It will be hidden definitely. So what you have to do, only change the line type here. Should be dash dash line type. So already I've changed. Okay. If it is not visible, then go to properties and change the line type scale here. It doesn't matter how much you are increasing or how much it is decreasing. It should be visible only. That's it. मैच प्रॉपर्टीज से सबका लाइन टाइप यहाँ पे हम मैच कर देंगे. Everywhere connections, we match this. Okay, and see now it's done. Okay, so this is the final drawing. This is the final output. You can press it. Okay, the position of the lights and appliances, switchboards, and connections. This is for the bedroom only. Same way you can create for the entire plan. But at last, don't forget to provide the legends here. Legends means these symbols only. Same. यही का copy paste कर सकते हो जो भी चाहिए आपको. Okay. This is for okay. This symbol shows this thing. That symbol shows that. Like this. Okay. So is it clear, guys, how to create the electrical layout here? You understood? Fine. So do one thing. For your plan, means for which plan you guys are working. Okay. For that plan, try to create the electrical layout for living room. Okay. Only for living room, try to create the electrical layout. I'll give you some time, I'll wait. Okay. If you want, use symbols or else अभी के लिए circles से practice किया तो भी चलेगा. Practice for the electrical layout first and let me know. Then we'll proceed with plumbing layout. Try it out. Yeah, guys, what is the update? Till where it's done? Or you need more time? Fine, I'll wait for more 5 to 10 minutes. And then we'll proceed further. Okay, guys, what is the update? Is it done? Fine. One by one, just share your screen and show me till where it is done. Bhumika, would you like to share the screen first? Bhumika Jain, are you there? Okay, Shruti, what is the update from your end? Guys, at least speak up, no, respond, no. Yes, no, we are not interested. We are not doing, we are not going to complete it. Speak up something, please. Okay, wait, not an issue. I'll contact each and everyone personally. Yeah, Shruti, I know about it. It's fine. Vibhor, we are waiting for you only. What is the update from your end? Is it done? Have you tried this one? Vibhor Verma? Okay. Now see, after this, we'll proceed with the plumbing layer. Okay. Now, what is meant by plumbing? So guys, plumbing basically it's nothing but the pipelines, the connections you have to show. Okay. Now, here you'll find 4 lines. Blue for clean cold water, red for hot water, orange for wastewater, and blue for soil pipe. Now, cold water, hot water, wastewater, though you know already, right? Soil pipe is nothing but whatever solid waste is coming through your WC to collect, that use soil pipe here. Okay. Now, remember the pipelines you can show using this straight line here. Okay. Spin line जो curve line होता है, that is for electrical layer. The straight lines for the plumbing, for the pipeline. But till where you show the pipelines? You need any limit, you need any boundary, right? So that limit, that boundary means this, the main pipes here. Okay. Now, it's not like that here you have to use the same color whatever we are showing. No. If you want, you can change the colors also. But remember, you need to use same color code for the main pipe also. See, blue for clean cold water. Same. Here also blue for main pipe. Red for hot water. Here also red one for the hot water. Okay. Same. I copy paste the main pipes here. Now, one by one, we'll show the connections. So I'll take cold water, means clean cold water, using line tool first. Show the clean cold water here in WC, then in wash basin, then in the wet area, means for the fixtures, till where? Till the main pipe here. Okay. Again, I'll take hot water. Now, hot water pipe that's not needed in WC, right? So, hot water pipe connection in wash basin. Nowadays, plant want hot water pipe in wash basin also. So, you have to provide that. Then, again, for the fixtures, till when? Till the main pipe here. Done. Then I select wastewater to show the wastewater pipe. The wastewater जाएगा आपके wash basin से. Then in the toilet area, you will find Panjali kind of wool. We call it as a nani trap. NHANI. Okay, that is nani trap. जो भी waste water होता है, it will be collected by the nani trap. Till where will show the connections? Till the main pipe, right? And then at last, select soil pipe. As I told you, soil pipe is nothing but whatever solid waste is coming through the WC. Okay, straight to the soil pipe here. Then the main pipe. No need to break this pipe anywhere. That's it. Now I know you guys are thinking कि मैम connections इतने सारे pipelines wall के through जाते हैं. No. Practically it goes through the floor. Okay. ये फ्लोर के थ्रू जाता है जो पाइप प्लम्बिंग का पाइपलाइंस होता है. But for the presentation purpose, you need to show this through the wall only. Okay. Only 4 pipelines are there. Place it. But once you are done, select and you have to change the line weight here. Okay. You have to change the line weight here. So lines को select किया. Then from here, change the line weight and change the transparency also by 40%. You can change the transparency here and see it's done. Okay. Once you are done with this, again, don't forget to place the legends here saying that okay, this color shows this and that color shows that. Okay. So is it clear? You understood how to create the plumbing layout? Fine. So try it out, the plumbing layout for your kitchen area, for your plan, okay? For your plan, try it out for the kitchen area and let me know once you are done. Okay, guys. So what is the update? Is it done? Electrical and plumbing both. Fine. So see, I'll give you one assignment here. What you have to do, create the electrical layout for the entire plan. Okay. For which plan you guys are working, create electrical layout for the entire plan and then create plumbing layout for that same plan. Remember one thing, you cannot create electrical and plumbing layout in the same drawing. Okay. Make a copy of that plan. So in the one copy, you can create electrical layout, and in another copy, you can create plumbing layout. Okay. As you know, today is the 9th class. Tomorrow will be the last class, which is your 10th class. Okay. So now, you guys, like, I'll assume, like, I'll consider it, you guys are ready with your plan, elevations, sections, and tomorrow, अगर आप assignment करते हो तो electrical and plumbing layout. Okay. So from my end, whatever I promised for, I taught you each and everything. Okay. Rest, how you can implement this whole project, this whole project only in template, layout, page setup, how you can scale the layouts and all small things. We'll cover it in tomorrow's class and we'll convert it into we'll get the final output, final print, and what we are going to cover in tomorrow's class. Yes, that part Shruti I'm explaining only. Page setup, layout, viewports, templates, and small settings are there. Printout ka settings, how you can highlight any object, etc. etc. Yes, that part also. Okay. Fine. But please be ready with the plan at least, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि किसी का भी ना elevation complete हुआ है ना section complete हुआ है. From my end, I'm pushing you, but you guys are not responding. Okay, that is your choice. Okay, not an issue. When you want your certificates, you can respond there. Not it's not an issue. But yeah, at least be ready with the plan. Means tomorrow you can learn something. Okay, because tomorrow first thing you have to import the plan, and then whatever changes you are doing, you can do it there. Okay, you need at least plan. So please be ready with that. Plus, at least one section and one elevation is needed with electrical and plumbing layout for tomorrow's class. Okay. Fine. So complete the assignments and see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.